everybody, today I got a package for Itsy. There's my edges. I can't wait, y'all. This is my very first package for Itsy, and I have a squishy package. So yeah, let's go on with the letter. What the world? You heard that me wrong. What are they doing? Oh, and it came with a letter, y'all. It says, "Hey, thank you for purchasing. I hope you enjoy your items. I've noticed your bread squishy has a tiny margin of defect. Therefore, I gave you more extras to make up for it." And she's going. It's so cool, y'all. Okay, there's another letter. It says extras. 5 tattoo slime, 6 new pairs of emoji earrings, grape eraser, a red bow, a small bag of real gemstone. Hey, check out my gemstone listing to see all the gemstones you got. Moon necklace. Y'all, this is cool. So first thing I pull out is my extras. It says thank you. This is pretty cool packaging. Do y'all know it says present for you? Let's see how to open this. This is some cool packaging. I'm gonna keep this package. So let's see all the extras. Let me guess. This is some green glitter slime. And if y'all see that person, that's my grandma. This is hard to get open. Yeah, I just got in the mail. Just know how exciting I was. It's a pretty good slime right there. Y'all look. Oh, it smells excellent. It smells like lotion. It comes in this pretty container. And this is a real package, y'all. This is a real package. You must smell this. It smells good. Smells good. Smells like coconut. Thank you very much, so much for the extras. She's so nice to give me. Never mind.
What's her name on there, Jazz?
What's her name? What's her name?
Let me see. Squirrel Fox in Lancaster, South Carolina.
I want to give a shout out to Squirrel Fox in Lancaster, South Carolina. Ooh, look at this pretty moon necklace, y'all. There's bad lighting, so yeah. Look at this moon necklace. This is very pretty right here.
That is pretty good.
This lady is nice to give me all these extras just because one little thing had one defect on it. It's my first time getting squishy, but I don't really care about a defect. She didn't have to give me all this. And these are the cool, look, crying out emojis. I'm going to definitely wear those. You see I'm wearing mine right now. My emoji earrings. Ooh, I've been collecting. Ooh, this smells good too. It smells like grape. Look, that's pretty cool. The thing comes off. It's an eraser.
Oh.
That's cool.
That
Oh, she gave me more earrings.
6 pairs.
6 pair of heart, eye, and cry face earrings. And laughing face emojis. Those are cool. Look.
Yeah, I like them.
And they look like they've never been worn. They've never been worn.
They haven't. They're new, brand new.
Look, this is a kissy face emoji. Kiss face emoji. And this is the cool face emoji. Look. Last one here, my look. This is the
Angry emoji.
Yep. Oh, look at this pretty blue red bow. Y'all, I'm crazy. But look, this had black. That's pretty cool. And she said it came with 2 tattoos.
Yeah.
What kind of
It's
a flower.
Flower.
Oh, this slime is just amazing, you. Whoever gave me this. Oh, gemstone. These are the real gemstones. I don't know if they're real.
That's what she said they were real.
Let's hope they are. Oh, they look like real ones.
They probably are.
Look, y'all, she sent me some real for extras, y'all. This is just nice of her. Like, she's nice. Like, look at this. This is the best packaging I've ever had. Y'all. There's my other tattoo. That's not Papa. He just came home. So he'll give me some stuff. So, yeah. Some supper. She gave me more. What is this? A fidget spinner? Yeah, look at my Papa made me. That's so cool. Oh.
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 Don't break my table, please.
Let me put that down. But anyhow, it says love, and that has a cute little rose. She gave me more than what she said. Oh, how many? 5 tattoos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One package comes in.
Yes, Papa, and then it came with extras just because one little thing had a defect on it. Y'all just don't know what. Well,
You better keep her.
no wonder because this is supposed to be a jumbo, and it ain't a jumbo one. Because you remember we ordered a jumbo
Is
one?
that the bread one?
And it's not that,
You need to get off of that and eat.
it's not that
There's your
squishy.
thing.
It's not that,
Oh.
Mama, I see the defect on it. Yeah, it does have like a tiny hole and defect,
Oh my gosh.
but it don't matter to me. I'm not that picky.
Not after all that other stuff she sent.
I know, she is like the cool. I'm gonna start ordering for her.
You better get some money, honey.
You so better.
And this is my panda emoji one. This one didn't. Well, it's missing. Yeah, it has like a broken emoji.
Well, it wasn't supposed to be messed up.
See? It's messed up.
Oh. Well, maybe that's why she gave you so much stuff
Y'all, look, this is very slow rising. Look, Ma, it's very slow rising. See?
there. What do you do with those?
You play with them.
Oh my god.
Look, y'all, they're like it's very slow rising. That's good. That is slow rising. Like, look at that, y'all. Like, it's not even, like, hold up.
What made you think of slow rising?
That's what everybody calls it now, slow rising. But, y'all, this is the coolest. Like, look. Look. The bread is not that squishy, but I'll take it for all the extras she gave me. This one is the squishiest one because look at this, y'all. I'm going to order me some more, y'all. Except I don't have a debit card, so.
You sure don't.
That's the bad part about it. So I have to get people for me to order them. I was going to pay them back, but then they said no, so. That's why you have great grandparents about that. Grandparents that are really nice. Which are my grandparents. Yep. Yeah, I'm crazy. Anyhow, thank you for watching my video. Hope y'all subscribe and give us a big old thumbs up. If y'all do not like it, give at least a thumbs down, a thumb, whatever y'all. Subscribe, ring the bell, make sure you can be, so you can, if you subscribe, you can become a new Jazz Hagerman fan. You can become a part of the family. This is just very interesting. And this new fidget spinner he just made me. Wow, look at that, y'all. It's cool. This did not come, if y'all want to know. He made that. No, I'm not selling it. No, so do not ask me. Well, bye. Have a nice day. Bye.